kisang ki bafe ke badan hapo North Eastern Hill University ke bakan thup ya kasang jo kini hikai kasang jo ki samrapure ba kasang jo ki namtrai jo kini ka school ma matang singi ka life hotel ko risaw araja arpulai kila penjor shishu ya ka jeng yakhi persha ya vice chancellor jo ki university Professor Prabha Shankar Shukla halo ka jeng maptre ka jong u pan pentri kam na de ko ngu ya ka jeng dawa jong ka joint action committee man wen kam no ya Uwei officer obra thong be an urohir prasad ya ka bakila bu por hado ka atnu tarik jong le ubnai ubamenta kani ka jalang hak ban kong kala yalum apo multi use conventional hall ka barat human pelong ya ka jalang jong academic council le hadir pak leo jong tip ya kani ka jalang jong academic council la pelong no apo conference hall jong office jong VC bar kam tahi kala tur sekte ka Jaka bak larung apo ka Jaka ba pelong ya ka jalang hak ka bakila kentu Dkhot jong ke isi ke basimata ha kani ka academic council bakan mi no shabar makani kalong persya ya ka bakila simlang ya ka rai hadin jong kanipan nak kaliang jong ka JC kala pelong ya ka General Assembly haka baki ngelam jong ka JC kala penpau ki babur ki mat pak kham tam ya ka jing de ba an ya ka jing trikam ba an jong vice chancellor ubamenta jong ka university
long live long live JC long live down down VC 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 appoint statutory officers immediately appoint statutory officers immediately appoint them advertise vacant teaching posts immediately remove Rohit immediately remove Rohit immediately
Please.
Just no problem. No problem, one person.
Please join us, friends.
Anyway, no meeting. We'll go all be inside here. You will never be able to translate anything.
And remember, this is not about this VC, this is not about the AC, this is about
Our
all the
university,
issues,
all members of
all
the
the
Academic
wrongs
Council.
that the VC has done.
And it is
Remember
not
that,
right.
keep
Please,
that in
members,
mind.
please
Do you
cooperate.
have a conscience or not? If you have a
Please.
conscience, come out. Come out.
Please come out.
Please come
We'll
out.
explain what's going on. Please come out.
Come out to the play.
Please come out. We don't want any ugly scene. Please, members, cooperate. Please come out. Please, members, please cooperate. Yeah.
Please come.
We request member humbly, please cooperate with us and please come out. This is our fight. This is not fight of just one individual. Please, members, with due respect, you will never have duty.
Then shame on you.
No.
Shame on you.
So I would humbly request all members of Academic Council to please come out and join us in Jaka. No personal ambition whatsoever that you can think of. But we are here for Nehu. This is our university. We can't allow it to go to drain and somebody driving it to the drain. That is what we are going to fight for, and we'll make sure that from now on, starting from today, and we have started it many months ago, we will make sure that whoever sits in that chair, he functions his duty like he has been appointed for. If a vice chancellor has been appointed for, he is supposed to discharge his duty as a vice chancellor following NEHU Act, statute, ordinance, rules and regulations, and also abide by the UGC regulations that are present there. Well, friends, we will talk about it as we keep moving on. We have put forth, if you look at the notification issued by the General Secretary of JAC, dated 28th of October 2023, we have jotted down the most immediate points, the most immediate agenda, the most immediate issues that we need to address as JAC. And I'll read one by one. And we have very conveniently split the agenda based on how much it is relevant to teachers, how much it is relevant to non-teaching staff, and hence I will be dwelling upon few of them. Then I will give my co-chairman, Dr. Damodar Sundram, who will also address on those issues. And then of course, when Nehusu join us, there are those issues that concerns to them directly. However, all these issues are concerned with we as stakeholders of this university. So once again, before we deliberate, I welcome